Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can update your GoPro with your GoPro Quik app. Okay, after you already connect your GoPro Quik app to your smartphone, between your GoPro and your smartphone, just turn it on and then press your GoPro and you will see the update available. When it show up available update, you just need to press install update, and then you just press update, accept the term and condition, and now your camera is updated, connecting to your camera. Okay, join. Okay, and now transferring the file to your camera. Update complete. Okay, and now your camera is back to normal, and you just need to wait your app to return to the home screen. Just leave it like this. Okay, so now update complete, and all you need to do is just press done, and now your update is complete. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install the update version on your GoPro Hero 12 Black. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.